The mobile application is designed to provide the most basic search and mapping functionality for mobile devices such as tablets and phones. This page can be accessed from the GIS landing page. It does not replicate the full mapping application, and mapping is turned off by default until it is needed. This is done to save mobile data. The mobile application provides a simple interface with which to navigate between pages. On any screen except the main menu, there are two buttons, one for navigating to the previous page and the other for navigating directly to the home screen. On the home screen, there is a help menu as well as links to the full mapping application and the Gaston County website.